and there are like procedure for MRI, maybe we can ask the PIHAW, no? Kasi I believe that andito ba yung PIHAW natin sa PNP? Because
Mr. Chairman,
yes,
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Congressman Co-Chair Dan Fernandez, we'll just discuss it later, no? And well, in fact, if you want to speak something about what really transpired during your conversation with Grijaldo, may we ask you to vacate your position as co-chair and be one of the spokesperson or the resource person.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. As a matter of fact, that's what I intend to do, to inhibit myself in the discussion about this issue. And together, maybe with Chairman Abante, we will be trying to relieve temporarily our chairmanship in order to discuss this in transparent and impartial and honest investigation on this matter, because this pertains to the integrity of this Quadcom, and we don't want that this Quadcom be deluged with so many bad comments about what Chairman Abante and this representation have done in order to ferret the truth about the conformity of Colonel Grijaldo. Unfortunately, he's not here right now, and he is sick, and that saddened us as well, because we wanted really the members to ask him about what really happened, if there was really indeed a coercion and harassment that was done by Chairman Abante and myself. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And with that, if we will be discussing our issue with Colonel Grijaldo already, this representation on I will be yielding my position as a chairman of this committee.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.
And also be subjected to the procedure of a resource person. If indeed we need to be subjected to the procedure being undertaken by this committee.
Okay, that's noted, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Fernandez. Before that, Congressman Adjong, let me ask if Congressman Paduano is already done with your
Not yet, Mr. Chairman. This will be the last invitees.
Just a matter of
with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano. Okay, so
Can I proceed, Mr.
please
Chairman?